Welcome. If you manage a Telegram channel and want to let specific admins send messages or post updates, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to allow channel admins to send messages on Telegram. This process is quick, straightforward, and gives you full control over who can communicate with your audience. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has owner or admin privileges for the channel you want to manage. Next, head over to your channel. You'll find it listed among your chats. Just tap to open it. Now, look at the top of the screen and tap on the channel's name. This brings up the channel's profile page, where you can see its details and settings. On this page, find and tap the Edit button. It usually looks like a pencil icon in the upper right corner. This will take you into the channel's settings menu. From here, tap on Administrators. You'll see a list of everyone who currently helps manage your channel. Find the admin you want to give message posting privileges to and tap on their name. This opens their individual admin settings. Now look for the option called Manage Messages. Within this section, you'll see a permission labeled Post Messages. Tap to enable this option. This setting allows the selected admin to send messages and posts directly to your channel's subscribers. Once you've marked Post Messages, don't forget to save your changes. There's usually a check mark or save button at the top. Right, tap it to confirm. That's it. You've just allowed your chosen admin to send messages in your Telegram channel. You can repeat these steps for any other admins you want to grant this permission to. Managing admin rights in Telegram gives you flexibility and helps keep your channel organized. If you ever want to adjust these settings, just revisit the Administrators section and update permissions as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy channel managing.